Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of AutoDraw.com. Now AutoDraw.com is an AI powered drawing tool for effortless creativity. Now it's for education in a way. Let's start with the overview. It's a web based drawing tool developed by Google Creative Lab that leverages machine learning to transform rough sketches into polished artwork quickly and easily. It's accessible on all devices. It offers AI-driven suggestions, extensive clip art, and simple drawing features. Ideal for educators, ideal for social media users, and casual artists. Let's look at the pro and the cons. Those are the suggestions from the doodle I made. So let's look at the pros and the cons. The first pro we have is that it's accessible on all devices via web browser without installation. Just go to autodraw.com and you'll have access to it. Number two is that it's completely free with no subscription required. Its user-friendly interface is stable for non-artists. It's suitable for all artists, like I said. It speeds up visual creation with intelligent AI suggestions like what you saw earlier. I just drew a few random shapes and it suggests what it thinks I want to draw. Here they are. To be added to the drawing, you can see. And then it supports sharing and exporting directly from the platform. Let's look at the cons. It's limited to simple shapes and clip art. It's not suitable for detailed illustration. It's not suitable for detailed illustration. It lacks advanced editing features found in professional graphic software, and does not support saving multiple ongoing projects within the platform. So hope you found this video helpful.